Shalom, fam. It's your boy, Joseph. Favorite son, dreamer. Robe game strong. And today, I'm about to ruin family breakfast.
So I had these dreams, right? I'm standing there bowing. 11 sheaves of grain. 1 king star. I'm the main character. Apparently, prophesying your family's submission isn't how you win Brother of the Year. They didn't hate me because I lied. They hated me because I saw something, and I said it out loud. It wasn't arrogance. It was vision. But when people don't see what you see, they call you delusional. Do you ever feel like you were born for more, and people hate you for it? That dream didn't make me better than them. It just meant my journey would be longer. They said, "Here comes the dreamer." Then they ripped my robe and threw me in this hole. Family goals, right? Ruben was like, let's not kill him, let's just emotionally scar him for life. Bro, thanks. I used to think the dream was the reward. Turns out, it's the reason you get attacked. Do you still believe the dream? When the people closest to you try to bury it. She tried to pull me in. I pulled away. That's the whole story, but not the version that made it to court. All I said was no. I respected my master, respected her, and for that I got accused, betrayed, and thrown in here like I'm the villain. I did the right thing. I honored God, and it got me locked in a dungeon. Do you still do what's right when it costs you everything? So the baker and the butler both had dreams. I interpreted them, boom, accurate, 10 out of 10. But when Pharaoh restored the butler, man vanished like I was yesterday's pitta. 2 years, 2 whole years. No shout out, no message, just silence.
Do you still use your gift when no one claps?
God gave me a gift, but I had to learn it wasn't for me. It was for the moment he was building. 1 minute I was rotting in a cell. The next, Pharaoh's looking at me like I've got the answers to save the world. I thought I was interpreting a dream. Turns out I was being positioned to feed nations.
Favor doesn't skip the process. It uses it. What if the promotion you're waiting for is waiting for your preparation?